when I remember that I didn't sit preaching when we were having the interviews, I also realized for once that I could get shaken during the interview to the people I used to sit with. I appreciate, starting with the board members for having done their diligent work, honorable members who have approved my name. It is also another shocker. I didn't expect this. I thank you vehemently. I also thank my staff members who have worked not only during these 2 years, but for the last 10 years together as a team. I cannot forget this, that I extend this also to the host of this county, the Honorable Governor, for also having given us piece of peace in our environment that we have thrived this far. I have heard you. I have listened and listened keenly, and I have even gotten shaken again. And the wondrous task ahead is a heavy one. But realizing that I will not be alone, and that Speaker will not be pushing to me the way he has been, and we shall be consulting one another, because I believe in consultation and in cooperation, because there is nobody with a monopoly of knowledge. Together we will grow, and once somebody has a problem, we come together and share during the good times and the bad times. But most importantly, I will urge that we consult one another. I will not be on an island. Humanly, I could be having my weaknesses, but I so believe that I'll be with people, and I will always be willing to learn. Thank you so much, and thank you so much. God bless you, all of you.